Hello and welcome to a new video of division. As you can see here, we have different set of numbers and a number with zeros, 600. We have a 20 here. As I was saying, we have a 20 here in the 600 and we are dividing by 4. 4 is the divider here. And in this case, how we will be dividing, that's the intention of this division. I hope you will watch the full video. Let's continue. As we are dividing 600, I'll be putting this 600 inside a cage. I mean this one as cage, and the divider we have here is 4. Well, and as we can see here that if we need any kind of times table calculation, we need of number 4. Why 4? Because the divider is 4. That's why we need the times table of 4 to understand, to memorize. I hope before doing this math, you know at least the times table of number 4. It's not that difficult. I have it in other video. If you want to check it out, please go ahead. Okay, here we have this 4, and we need to divide the leftmost side, which is 6 here. Leftmost side, not the from here, this side, leftmost side, we have it 6 here. 6 is bigger than 4, so we can easily divide 6 by 4, and it's very easy. We know that 4 times 1 equals 4, and we go onward to make sure that we don't miss anything. 4 times 2 equals 8. We cannot go with 4 times 2 because 8 is a bigger number than 6. What we are looking for, we are always looking for less than 6 or equal to 6. Equal to 6 or less than 6. We have a less than 6 number here. 4 times 1 equals 4, but we cannot go with 4 times 2 because it's a bigger number, this 8. Okay, so 4 times 1 we get 4 here, and then according to the rule we need to do subtraction, and 6 minus 2 we can easily subtract and get this 2 down here. And remember to follow the column line. Don't put 2 here, then you will get the wrong answer. We always need to follow the column line, like these and these and these. Always we need to follow these guideline to get the result right. So as we can see that we have the balance of 2 here. When we subtract 4 from number 6, and then we cannot subtract this 2 by this 4 because 2 is smaller than this divider 4. So do we have more number to bring down? Yes, we have this 0 to bring it down. We can bring it down, and it comes and join with 2. It became now 20. When it became 20, we need to look for this times table. How much we can go? Can we go to 4 times 3? 4 times 3 we get 12, still less than 20, which is fine. We are looking number that is less than 20 or equal to 20. That's the idea of this times table now. And then when we move on to 4 times 4, we can see that we are getting 16. 4 times 4 equals 16, which is less than 20, which is fine. We need to move on to check if there are other possibilities that we can get less than 20 or equal to 20. 4 times 5, we know that it is 20. So here we are getting an equal number, which is 4 times 5. We are getting equal number to 20. And remember to always put these first. 4 times 5. Remember to put this one first without putting this. If you straight writing these and finish the math, then you don't get the right result. So this area is very important to put it here. I hope you are getting my points. I come again, this 4 times 5, when I'm putting this 4 times 5, then we can take this 20 here. And when we took this 20 here down, and then we need to check back that what's the subtraction balance after subtracting here. How much we get? We get actually as 20 times 20 minus 20 is nothing, it's 0. So do we have more number there? We need to check back, and actually we have a 0 left, which we bring it down here, So when we bring this 0 down here, it's a fresh number. It's not the result of any subtraction. It's a fresh number that we brought from upward, we brought from here to down. It's a fresh number. It's not subtraction. It was there already. So to get 0, we know that anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, meaning 4 times 0, then we get a 0 here. Why we are doing this? 0 minus 0 equals 0. Because it is a fresh number that came from top, from there. It came from there to here. So that's why I'm explaining it by using times table. 4 times 0. So we got here 4 times 0 equals 0, and I hope you checked that I put a 0 here before putting that 0. So we got this answer, that is 150, and that's the answer. I would like to write it separately so that everything is understood nicely. And what was the math here? The question was, I put the question first, then I'll put the answer, of course. This was the question, and it was asking me, or asking us, that 600 divided by 4 equals what? And in the answer side, we can write, let me make some space because it looks a little bit crowded. Now we get the space to write the answer, and 600 divided by 4, answer we got 150, and this is the answer. I hope you understood the process, how I completed gradually, and when you check it out multiple times, I am sure definitely you will understand the process, and you will remember it and do different types of maths. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will join to my next video. Till then, bye bye.